Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to create reels on Facebook. Reels are the short form content or videos that appear on the Facebook page. So to create a reel, you can open your app of Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile icon on the top left of the screen. Here you'll see an option for create reel. Tap on create reel. Now it will show you three sections where you can add in or post a reel. If you tap on this arrow icon, you can choose the pictures or videos from your gallery or any other folder that you've created. After you select the reel, you'll see a similar interface. Now you'll have the option to add in a bunch of things. If you tap on audio, here you can add audio to your reel. You can do both voiceovers and then music. If you tap on music, here you'll see all the music that you can add to your reels. Tap on the music that you want to add and the music will be added. You can also add in text. You can add in effects, stickers, and if you want you can also save the reel. Now to post a reel, you can tap on next and add in a description of the reel. You can also add in hashtags to increase your reach of the reel. On the bottom you'll see an option for public. If you tap on that, you can make your reel be visible to public, only friends and friends accept. You can exclude some of the people that you don't want to make the reels visible. After that, you can simply tap on share reel and your reel will be posted to Facebook. After the reel has been posted, you can again come back to your profile, and if you tap on reels, here it will show you all the reels that you have posted.